Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690 Garage, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less. Barkbusters. Do you have them? Do you want them? I think everybody should have Barkbusters. And the reason being is because Barkbusters are just awesome. They do many, many things. A, they protect you from the wind because of these little guys right here, these hand shields. Not only that, it's either aluminum or it's a light metal on the handlebar right there. They're awesome. I'm telling you what, they do many things. They block trees, limbs, all that type of stuff. Not only that, see these scuffs? You drop your bike, keeps you from breaking your wrist. Yeah, definitely can keep you basically safe and keep your wrist from ever getting messed up when you're off on the trail. Not only that, getting smacked by tree limbs or anything like that. Barkbusters, you can get them in all flavors. They have them with actual indicators right here. If you want to wire them in, plain and basic like what I have right here, you can get them in all different types. I'm going to put some in the description if you want to pick them up. This is just kind of a generic aftermarket. I don't really care about all those little beeps and whistles, but I'm telling you, Barkbusters are great, and you can get them for most any bike that's out there. Anyway, this is your tip in 2 minutes or less. Have a great day.